Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw a beautiful butterfly step by step. So grab your pencil, paper, and let's get started. First, draw a small oval in the center. This will be the butterfly's body. Now add a tiny circle on top for the head, and don't forget to cute antennae. Next, let's draw the upper wings. Start from the top of the body and make two large curved shapes on each side. Don't worry if they're not perfect, just try to keep both sides similar. Now draw the lower wings. These are a little smaller and rounder than the top wings. Great! Your butterfly shape is now complete. It's time to make it look amazing. Draw curved lines and simple patterns inside each wing. You can add circles, teardrop shapes, or even hearts. Try to make the design symmetrical on both sides. Now carefully trace the outline with a black marker or a darker pencil. This will make your butterfly stand out beautifully. Finally, let's add some bright colors. You can use blue, pink, yellow, purple, orange, or any colors you like. Be creative and make your butterfly unique. And that's it. Your beautiful butterfly drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Bye!